Good morning, grade twos. Today is Monday, and we are going to do our schoolwork at home for today. And we are going to start something brand new. And we are going to start talking about the word capacity. And capacity is a big word to tell us how much something can hold, okay? And I have 3 containers here. Here's one that's filled with water. Okay, I have a container, I have a glass, okay, and I also have a jug, okay? So the capacity is how much water can they hold. Now, I want to separate a little bit of these things, so I'm going to maybe pull them back and let me rearrange them a bit. I want you to guess, we'll talk about how we can find the answer, but I want you to guess for a second how much water. Which one do you think holds the most water? So I have this container, I have a jug, and I have a glass of water. Okay, I want you to tell me, which one do you think holds the most water, has the biggest capacity, because it can hold the most water? Take a pick out of one of them. Okay, well, you probably guessed this is the smallest, right? This holds the least amount. But we can't really tell with this. So we know this is one pitcher, okay? So what I got another jug that's the same, but it's empty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our water from our other container, and we're gonna pour it into the empty jug and see how much does it fill up. So I'm gonna pour it in here. Okay. The jug is full, and if you can see here, there's still some water left in here. So which can hold the most amount of water? Which one? Is it this or is it this one? It's the container, right? Because we could fill the pitcher and we still had some left over, where we know this one is just the pitcher, okay? So capacity is how much water they can hold. Let me just get rid of this water here before, I don't want to spill any of it. Okay, so capacity is how much something can hold. Okay, so we can look at 2 different containers and say which can hold more and which could hold less. Okay, so I want you, if you don't have your textbook, press pause, get your textbook, and we're going to open to page 70. Okay, so we're going to open to page 70, and we have a jug and we have a water bottle, and we want to see which one can hold more water. Well, if I pour the jug into the water bottle, I still have some left. So which one holds more water? The jug does. Let's go down here. This time, if I pour the water bottle into the jug, does it fill it? It doesn't. So the jug can hold more. So the jug holds more water than the bottle. And you could say that the bottle holds less water than the jug. Now, if we want to know how much water it actually holds, what we could do is we could take this jug, and you could do this at home, is ask your mom for a jug and fill it up with water and see how many cups does it take to empty the jug. How many cups of water can this jug hold? Well, let's look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This holds 5 cups of water. Let's do the same thing with our water bottle. Let's pour it into the cup, see how many cups it fills. 1, 2, 3. So the bottle holds 3 cups of water. So we would be able to say the jug holds more because it did 5 cups, where the water bottle only holds 3 cups. Now, if we go to the bottom, similar to what I showed you, we have 3 different containers. We have A, which is a cup, B, a pitcher, and C, a water bottle. And I want you to think about which one holds the most water. Which one? A, B, or C? Say it out loud. B, yes. Now tell me which one holds the least amount, the smallest amount of water. Is it A, B, or C? Say your answer out loud. A, the cup, is the smallest, okay? So when you're doing your work today, you're going to do 2 exercises. You're going to do exercise 50, where here you're going to circle which one holds more water. So some of the pictures have 2 containers, some have 3. Okay, and you're going to circle on the next page which one holds the least, the smallest amount of water. You're also going to do exercise 51, where we take the containers and we pour them into another container to see which one holds more. So which container holds more water and which one holds less water. And you're going to go through and do the same thing. You're going to keep looking, and we're pouring them into the same container so we can compare which one had more and which one had less. Or we could pour them into cups and say which one could have the most cups of water and which one had the least. So you're going to go through and do exercise 50 and 51 today, okay? We'll see you tomorrow.